This is why you should never, ever tickle your friend when they have hiccups. So my friend here has been having hiccups for the past 5 minutes, and as you can see, he is really struggling to breathe. So I thought it would be funny to tickle him, but let me tell you, it only gets worse. When you tickle someone with hiccups, their diaphragm spasms, which makes their hiccups worse. And as you can see, it also makes them really angry. But then something miraculous happens. When you stop tickling them, the hiccups magically disappear. This is why you should never tickle your friend when they have hiccups. Subscribe for more funny videos like this one.